Namaste everyone. Wish you all wonderful positive energies. How are you all? I hope you all are good, healthy and safe at your respective locations. So today I am here to present Ujjayi breathing or Ujjayi pranayam. So this I'll split into 2 or 3 videos step by step. It is also called as victorious breath. It is also called as oceanic breath or psychic breath. So specifically what is the difference is we use the throat while we breathe in and breathe out. So initially today I'll present only the basic practice of Ujjayi breathing. So to make it little more simple, how to do this is, so I'm inhaling through the nose normally, and if I'm exhaling through the mouth, so this ha sound comes. As the sound, how it is like the wave of the ocean. So that's why it is called as oceanic breath also. But now when we do actual pranayam, we will not open our mouth. We will do it with the throat. So once again I'm showing through mouth. So I'm taking my hands in chin mudra on the knees. Inhale through nose. Exhale through mouth. Once more. Inhale through nose. Exhale through mouth. This was just for the explanation. So actually we will not be exhaling through mouth. So now this specific sound with the use of throat, we will try to make along the inhalation as well as exhalation. So remember that this specific breathing can be done in sitting position, can be done in standing position or even lying down position. So everything is fine. So today we will just try to inhale and exhale with this sound for 5 times. We can start from 5 and then we can increase it till 7, 8, 9, 11, 21, as many as possible for you. So sit in a comfortable position or lie down or stand. Hands on the knees in chin mudra. Make sure your all the body parts are completely relaxed. Now first, before starting, just relax your shoulders, roll back and down, lengthen your spine, breathe normally, smooth inhalation, smooth exhalation, normal breath. Spend a minute or 2 with the normal breath. Fully concentrate your energies in the center on your breath. Now, so in first round for 5 counts, I just show exhalation through throat. So inhalation through nose, exhalation through throat. So use of the throat again from the nose obviously. So we are not opening the mouth. So initially 5 counts, inhale. Now in second round what we will do, we will also inhale with the use of throat and exhale with the use of throat. So next 5 counts will be like that. While inhaling also we will use the throat to make this sound, and while exhaling also we will make this sound. Only the thing is, please remember not to put too much pressure on the throat to make this sound. It will come with the practice. 1 or 2 days you can try, or maybe you can get it on the first day itself also. So nothing much harder in this, but don't put too much pressure on the throat. So sit comfortably, lengthen your spine, like this. You can do 5 rounds or 7 rounds or 11 rounds initially, and then increase your rounds as much as possible. So now once you are able to make this sound without too much of efforts or without too much of strain on the throat, then try that each inhalation and each exhalation with use of this throat and sound will be of the equal duration. So if, for example, inhalation is for 3 seconds, then exhalation also will be for 3 seconds. So try to do equal number for inhalation and equal duration for exhalation. Please practice this for few days, and then we'll come back with the next video for the second step. Till then, wish you all wonderful positive energies. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel Arogyam Dhanasampada. Please share the video as much as possible if you like it. Please also let me the comments or doubts, if any, in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Wish you all wonderful positive energies again.